Welcome back. The Goa Education Development Corporation organized a Career Expo for students at the Government Multipurpose Higher Secondary Grounds at Borda in Margao recently. The purpose of this expo is to help students to gather information in different fields, be it medicine, engineering, information technology, fashion technology, mass media, law, arts, science, and vocational education. The Career Expo is an exposition that gives an insight to students to identify and to explore the career opportunities available in and outside the state of Goa. Around 1,500 students from various schools and colleges participated in the program. The Chief Minister of Goa, Digambar Kamath, inaugurated the Career Expo in the presence of academicians. The Chief Minister, Digambar Kamath, congratulated the organizing committee of the Career Expo.
Career Expo 2008 being organized for the first time in the state of Goa by Goa Education Development Corporation. And that is why I must congratulate Principal M.K. Sheikh, Sri Swapnil Naik and his team for having made lots of efforts to organize this Career Expo 2008. I think 30 years have passed and this is the first time an effort is being made at the government level to tell the students about various options available to them.
The Chief Minister recalled that during his days there was no guidance to assist students while choosing their careers. But these days, various institutions provide marvelous opportunities.
I remember after SEC, they used to ask me where you are going. The normal reply a student is to give was I want to go to science. Why you want to go to science? Because I want to become either engineer or doctor. These were the days during those times where you didn't have anything in your mind. Because others are going to science, I am also going to science. Others are going to commerce, I am also going to commerce. Some of the people, some of the students used to take decision based on their friends or the classmates. The classmates are going, majority of the classmates are going to science. That is why I am also going to the science. This used to be the reply of the student. Today the situation has changed. You have various programs, various institutions calling you for various programs, various options available to the students.
Further, the Chief Minister said that education should inculcate morals and values amongst the students.
That education system today should also inculcate some moral values amongst the students. A point which I stressed while talking to the students at BITS Pilani also. I told last time also the students that you are going to be the future of this country, you are going to be the future of this state. It is you who are going to shape the future of the state of Goa in the years to come.
The Chief Minister reminded that the central government is planning to give a boost to education and the health sector. The Chief Minister disclosed that the Education Corporation is in the process of preparing a vision document and the government will implement its recommendations with sincerity and honesty.
No political interference in the educational field, and that is the reason I constituted an integrated education development council consisting of all educationists. I told them you deliberate, you discuss, hold consultations and come out with a vision document. The implementation of the document will be the responsibility of my government. And I am happy that the council, they formed lots of subgroups, they have met, and I have been told probably by the end of this month, the vision document will be ready. And I assure you that government will implement this vision document with sincerity and honesty.
The Education Development Corporation Chairman M.K. Sheikh said that the vision document would contain information on career guidance and will benefit the students, parents and teachers.
We are preparing a voluminous book with the help of experts involved in career information and guidance. wherein we are compiling and making available literature on career options in the Goan context. What courses are available and where, the requirements for admissions, costs involved, possible sources of loans, etc. This information will be available in this voluminous book for the benefit of parents, teachers and students.
At the expo, 104 stalls were put up to provide information on various careers like medicine, engineering, pharmacy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, music, marine academy, home science and information technology. That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, it's goodbye.